Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about Wipro's latest onboarding updates. So in this video we are going to talk about a lot of updates that has been recently received from the company. First of all, we are going to see the offer that the company has made to the turbo candidates. We are going to then talk about the onboarding updates of Elite phase 1 and phase 2 candidates, and what about WILP candidates too. After that, we are going to see all the latest mails from the company that the candidates have recently received in the past few days, and we will also try to clear some of the common doubts. So make sure to watch the video till complete end, because there is a lot of important information that is going to be there in the video. Also, if you are new to the channel and have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so, because I regularly post off-campus drives as well as onboarding updates on my channel. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, because we regularly post job drives there as well. Let's start with our today's topic, and let's see the first mail or the news from the company. So this update is for the turbo candidates. So let us first of all read this mail. We thank you for completing the Velocity training program successfully. We hope you found the program curriculum helpful in preparing you for a promising career ahead. Like other in our industries, we continue to assess global economies and customer needs, which factor into our hiring plans. We appreciate your commitment and patience as we try to identify joining opportunities for you. Currently, we have certain project engineer roles available for recruitment with an annual compensation of INR 3.5 lakhs. We would like to offer all our Velocity graduates in the FY23 batch an opportunity to opt for these roles. The onboarding for these roles will be initiated from March 2023 onwards. To accept this offer of INR 3.5 lakhs per annum, please fill up this short survey by February 20. This will enable us to ascertain your interest and verify your acceptance to proceed. If you choose to accept this offer, all the previous offers will be stand void. So let's talk about what this mail is about. So what happens is, previously in the previous months, Wipro has given some offer letters to some turbo candidates. Now the turbo candidates are the ones who has a large salary or greater amount of salary as in comparison to the other ones, which are the Elite candidates, that is project engineer role, right? Now Elite candidate have a salary of 3.5 lakhs, whereas the turbo has salary around somewhere about 7 lakhs. Okay, now what the company is doing is, they are not giving the joinings from like last many months. They have not given onboarding or joinings to any turbo candidates. Now this company has made an offer to the turbo candidates that if you want, you can take the offer of a project engineer as of now. And because right now we do not have the opportunity for turbo candidates, so if you want to need to work in the company, and if you want to start your joining at the moment, then what you can do is you can change, or you can change your turbo offer to your Elite offer. Okay, so this is the offer that has been made by the company. Now it is totally dependent on the candidates or the students that whether they need to take this offer or not. So turbo candidates are given an option from the company to take up the Elite role if they want. Okay, it is totally dependent on them. Now once the candidate takes up this opportunity and they take up the role of Elite, now their offer of turbo will stand void, which means that they do not have the opportunity to join the company as a turbo at any later point of time. The other case is, if they do not take up the offer, then so the company has mentioned that they do not know how long it will take for them to onboard the turbo candidates. So again, both the cases are there in front of you. You have to select it on your own. Next, let's see the next update. So some of the candidates have asked some query to the company. So this is the reply from the company that currently we do not have an Elite to turbo upgrade program. So some candidates have asked that whether once we join the company as an Elite candidate, after that will we get an opportunity to upgrade to turbo or not. So company has clearly mentioned that we do not have an Elite to turbo upgrade program as of now. However, once you join the Wipro, you will have an equal opportunity to grow within the company as you perform well, and you can expect to receive regular progressions and pay increases just like everyone else. We are excited to have you on board and can't wait to thrive you with us. So basically, they do not have any other plan that they cannot upgrade you to turbo, and it will almost take like many years for you to reach up to that salary, like from 3.5 to 7. It will take years for you to reach that if you don't switch the company. So if you join the company as Elite, you will be getting the salary as that of Elite only and not turbo, and they do not have any other exams or any schemes within which you can upgrade to turbo. Next update is, Should you not choose to accept the current offer, you can continue to hold your velocity offer. However, we cannot commit to a date of joining as our hiring plans are being determined based on the prevailing economic environment and involving customer needs. So company has clearly mentioned that if you do not choose this offer, we cannot confirm you that when can we give you the next joining for Turbo. So company has clearly mentioned, but on the other hand, company has also mentioned that you can continue to hold your velocity offer. Your velocity offer will be there, but we don't know how long we will be taking. We can even take 1 year or 2 years to give your joinings. So company has clearly mentioned that if you want, you can take up the joinings on Elite, and if you want that also, that joinings will be given around March only. Okay. So if you don't want to take up Elite offer that company is giving, you will still have the Turbo offer with you. This is the final summary of all the things. Now it is totally dependent on you what all things you need to do. Like for you, if the job is very important, you need to start your job at this moment only, then you can take up this opportunity. Otherwise, if you want, you can still wait for some time and see what is the scenario, because we have seen that previously also company has onboarded the Elite candidates and then they terminated them after 1 month. So we don't know what company is thinking right now at this moment. So there are many cases. It is totally your decision what you have to do. Apart from this, what you can do is keep on applying to other drives, because right now we have seen that the recession scenario in Wipro is very much high, and what you can do is you can keep preparing and apply and attend the exam of other companies. I'm creating a complete playlist on reasoning topic and aptitude. Already 3 topics are completed, like blood relation, direction and syllogism. Make sure to watch these videos and prepare for the online test of the upcoming exams. And now talking about the onboarding updates of Elite candidates, that is the phase 1 and phase 2. So phase 1 candidates will be are expected to have their joinings in the first quarter of the year, that is the up till March, April, because the company CHRO has mentioned this. Previously company CHRO has mentioned the same about the Turbo, but looking at the current thinking process of the company, it is not very sure that whether the company will give the joinings to the Turbo candidates in the coming soon time. Talking about the WILP candidates, so WILP candidates are regularly being onboarded in the company every month after every 15 or to 20 days. So for them there is no issues. And now talking about the phase 2 candidates, so some of the very rare candidates, phase 2 candidates, have received the PJP's mails, and apart from that there is no update for the phase 2 candidates. But the thing is, companies will first try to give the onboardings for phase 1 and then phase 2, or maybe parallelly to both. But right now Wipro is not giving any updates on the joinings. So first quarter is the thing that you can expect your joinings. So March to April you can expect. Related to all the other doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure to join us on Telegram and Instagram. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure to do so. Thanks for watching the video.